So hello guys, I am Shorodip Biswas. So today I am going to do an unboxing of a ceiling fan. So let me show you what I bought. So as you can see, this is the Crompton Grips or Crompton. Let me just keep the things properly, then I will say. So as you are watching, this is the Crompton High Speed Decora Skion 36-inch ceiling fan. So this fan is the decorative version of Crompton Grips High Speed and it's a metallic version. So this is the new model because as you can see here is also mentioned new. You can seeing this the box. Let me show you this side. So this is the I think this is the opal white color and that means the white blade and gray deco. Now let me turn this side and this is the silver color, the brown silver or whatever might be, having a brown deco and silver body, and this is not white, this is metallic white or something like that, silver, and this side again that opal white. Now this is the fan's box. So I have opened the seal just to check the contents. This model is available in only 3 sizes, 36, 48, 56. So this is a product. So let me show you the manufacturing. So if you guys noticed here, so this is manufactured in March 2018 and its MRP is 2240 and the place of the manufacture is Bethora Industrial Estate, Bethora, Goa. So this is a Bethora product. So it's March 2018. I hope you guys guessed what's the special things we got in 2018. If you guys remember, if you don't remember, then let me explain. You are getting a thick M8 motor bolt and probably a cylindrical capacitor, globe or whatever might be. That's not a big issue for this old stock fan, but sadly it's a 36-inch, but nothing issue. The box is little bit dirty. If you can just notice, this box is little bit slightly dirty because of old stock, but whatever might be, the good thing is that it's a gem. I got a gem, whatever might be. So let's unbox the fan. Enough talk. So as you can see, everything is similar to that of HS, nothing difference. So let's check it. And one thing, here is no made in India written, but I know it's a made in India product because Crompton is an Indian brand. Once a British brand, now an Indian brand. So let's do the unboxing. So let me first show you. I have just opened it in the shop just to check the content, but let me show you the instructions part. So this side is the regulator part, the regulator instruction. As you can see, the photo is given of something high speed, but here is some medallion type thing, whatever might be. Let me just rotate this box. As you can see, here is something new. Just wait, let me just adjust this thing. So as you are watching here, so this is the instructions. So here is the things and all the instruction. If you want to read this for a entertainment purpose, you may read. And the photo is given here is of Skion and the canopy is Skion. This fan's photo is also looking like Empowered Deco. What the hell, this fan is looking like Empowered Deco, whatever might be, just a joke. This is not an actual image, whatever might be. Let's unbox it. Guys, this is the fan. As you are seeing, this is a pretty beautiful fan and this color in Baker's brown is looking really nice, really nice. The fan is looking awesome and this is a metallic color. As you can see, this is a metallic color. It's means, as you know, Crompton did one thing. in 2014, Crompton's Aura Metallic, Avanza Metallic, just they renamed that fan to anti-dust, and they just double polished the fan and they became anti-dust. So this fan is already double polished, as I can feel by touching with the hand, the blades and the motor. But Crompton must write here anti-dust, but they forgot to write here anti-dust because this is already a double polished fan. As you can see, it's looking so good. The motor is pretty heavy. Behalf of this a 36-inch motor, it's pretty heavy. So it's I think this is very good. And just see the blade angles. Just see this. Just watch the shank. As you can see, let me take a focus. So as you can see, the shank have a pretty high angle. So it is means, as you know, Crompton's metallic fan always have a very high shank angles, like the HS metallic compared to the HS. But in this case, the shank angle is pretty high, and this I hope this fan will perform far better than that of the Crompton high speed 36-inch, because this shank angle is far greater than that of the 36-inch. So let me just install the fan. So since this is a medallion, this medallion, as you can see, it's pretty flat. The medallion is pretty flat, and it's not a bulgy structure as that of the previous high-speed Decora. So this medallion, I hope you can randomly keep it anywhere like this, and the fan will not just means the medallion will not able to crack, because this is a very flat medallion. So whatever might be, everything is good for this fan. So let's install the fan. And the thing is that this is an 11-inch down rod. So this is a big hole, as you can see. So, and as watching the shaft, this is a typical Bethora shaft. As you can see, the shaft is matte finish. The shaft is matte finished. Only this bearing part is polished. This Bethora make matte finish shafts compared to Solon. So this is the thick bolt. This is M8, and this is the STD shackle. So whatever might be, these are canopies. And one thing to note, these are pretty big canopies. Just watch here, they are pretty big. They can cover up full motors. This bulge out part means pretty big canopy, and it's a screw type canopy. This is the basic thing. You can see a tiny screw here. So this is a screw type canopy. That's the big thing. But the screw is so small that is pretty hard to access with a small screw tester or whatever might be. So this is a means what I will say. Crompton must use push canopy instead of this kind of things, and these white things are just these deco plates fitments, nothing else. So whatever might be, let's install the fan without any more wasting of time. So I hope you guys understood what I am going to say to you, and this is a pretty good fan. My favorite color is this. Among the three colors, my favorite color is this Baker's brown, but in naturally my favorite color is blue, as you know. But among these opal, silver and Baker's, I love the Baker's. And one thing about this fan, one for your knowledge only, this is the last thing I am saying before installation. This, as you can see, this color is exactly the reverse version of this. As you can see, this is the silver and this is the Baker's brown, and this is the exact reverse version of this. That's why when I went to shop, these two fans are kept side by side in 2019. I hope I have a photo I may share to you. So guys, the things I require always is a tester, a double-sided screwdriver, and this number of the screwdriver is 787 or 786, something like that. That's the size of this tip mentioned on this thing. And you need some spanners. So since this is a M8 bolt, that's why you need 13 mil. So here is a 11-12 spanner, and this 10-11 spanner and 12-13 spanner. So spanner and ring range, whatever might be. And lastly, you need the wire. So here I have some wire, and here is some extra wire with some sleeves if required. So whatever might be, let's install the fan. So the one thing guys, and as you can see, this fan is having a red label. So as you can see, HS Decora ski on this is having a red label. So the 36-inch have a red label, the 24-inch have a yellow label, and 42 also have a red label, and the 48 have a black label, and 56 always have a green label. So this color is the basic color of this sticker color coding, is the basic color coding of Crompton. And the second thing is that regarding the other cheap price fans like the Cool Breeze or whatever might be, the Super Breeze Deco and Super Air Deco, those sticker colors are quite different, because those are really not manufactured by Crompton. Those are vendor products. These are original Crompton products. So remember, if you want to buy a fan, always buy this kind of premium products and not vendor products of Crompton. This is a premium Crompton's own product. So whatever might be, so before installing, let me say, always use this safety screw with the download, as the hole is provided here. And don't remove this plastic seal, because if something like the cement particles or rust particles from the ceiling will drop, it will drop directly inside the motor, but this seal cap prevents it from going inside the motor. So this is the thing. And as you can see the color coding here, so let me show you the color coding before the installation. So the black is the common, the blue is the auxiliary winding, and red is the main winding. So this is the color coding. So whatever might be, let's install it. One thing I forgot to say is the plier. Requirement of the plier is very essential for every kind of installation. So never forget a plier. I always forget the pliers. So whatever might be. So the download is really tight fitting in this shaft and whatever might be. So let's continue. So as you can see, the installation is now completed. The canopies are screw type canopies, as you can see, but the canopies are really tight fit on this down rod. So as you can see, this canopy is almost very close size of the this part of the motor, that is the rotor part. This thick part is called rotor part of the motor. The rotor is embedded inside. So leave a minute gap here and then just hand rotate it and observe if there is anything colliding. Then increase the gap until it's not colliding anymore and the gap is adequate, and then just hand straighten the canopy, and now the canopy is almost straight. So just install the if you like, you may tighten the screw or leave it, because the canopies are really strong. You no need to worry about, since nowadays in my previous installation of the Crompton Jura, the canopies are very soft, but they are push type canopies. But in this case, the screw is, you may say, just for a dummy purpose, whatever might be. So let's install the blades. So the installation is completed of the blades. Let's hang the fan and see what's the performance. So as you can see now, the high speed ski-on has been installed. So let's turn on the fan. So this fan is looking, I hope, pretty small for this room, but whatever might be. I had a 42-inch HS for this room. Whatever. Let's start the fan in full speed. Wow, looking so good. Wow, the airflow is really awesome airflow. This fan is slightly slower compared to the box logo HS36, but the airflow is really awesome. Means pretty good airflow. Means if you want to, and the fan is also really silent. Means there are many 36-inch fans available in the market, but there are also high-speed 36-inch fans available in the market. That is a Havells XP390 that have a 600 RPM, but this is only having 390 RPM fan. I can understand its speed is like SS390. So by watching in the strobes, so whatever, I feel this fan is really silent in 36-inch segment, as you can hear by watching this video. So there is no such air cutting noise, and this fan is far better than that of the normal high speed 36 or the Riviera 36 or the other 36-inch fans available in the market. This fan is almost like the Jura or the Aura 36-inch, because those are metallic, and as you know, metallic fans have more blade angles compared to normal fans. So this is the fan. So the speed is really good. So let me turn on another light. So this light is bad for the camera, so this light is good. So as you can see, the fan is looking really awesome. It's a very silent fan. So as you can feel the airflow. So that's why I use an extended wires for this connection. So the main review is that if you want to buy a Crompton Grips high-speed Tecora Ski-On, then go for it. No issues regarding that. If you want to buy the 36-inch for a small room, go for it. If you want to buy 48 inches also there, so you may go for that fan, also really premium fan. And if you also want to go for the 56-inch one, the premium and the king size fan, then you may also go for, because remember, Crompton high speeds 56 only have 14 pole motors. Rest of the Crompton Avanza and Aura have thick 12 pole motors. So I guess the 14 pole motors, or the more number of poles, the motor will run cool. So this is a 12 pole motor, and the 12 pole is exactly suitable for this 36-inch segment or modern 48-inch fans, whatever might be. So the 56-inch don't require 12 pole, that the 14 pole is enough for 56. So this is the fan. So whatever might be, I feel this fan is pretty good, and lucky for me to get this thick bolt fan, whatever might be. So this is the fan. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please press the like button. If you have any comments, please comment it down, and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. So whatever might be. So thank you guys for watching.